So you've been entertaining the idea of telling your friends, or one friend in particular whom you're very close to, about your family sexual abuse. But you're entertaining the idea because it's compulsive and you have an urge and you think that telling your friend about this abuse, telling your friend more about you, would bring them closer to you, or it would allow them to understand you more because you feel like there's a gap. And the reason for the gap is possibly because this friend doesn't know this specific part about your life. But when you trauma dump and you tell this part of your life to your friend, it doesn't necessarily bring you closer. And more oftentimes, your friend is not able to hold the space that you need them to hold for you, nor are they able to understand what it is that you have gone through. And because they cannot understand it, it does in no way or fashion make them a bad friend or any less of a friend. It just means that they don't get it. And then what happens when you understand that they don't get it, regardless if they say it or not, you're going to resent the fact that you told them. You're going to regret the fact that you told them because your reasoning for telling them does not turn out the way that you want it to be. So in order for you to not have these compulsions and not have these urges, or not even have the desire to tell your friend about this very delicate, intricate part of your life, it is best that you just master your emotional autonomy so that these urges and these compulsions do not come up, and you understand that it is more often way better to honor your privacy.